Hello from London, Greenwich Park. Welcome back to Yoga with Loreta. Today we will practice the best poses to improve your posture. Take your cross-leg position. Feel that you are grounded through both sit bones and you are expansive, tall through the spine with shoulders relaxed. Abdominal area is spacious. Close your eyes and imagine that your hips are in line with your ribcage. Ribcage is in line with your shoulders. Shoulders are in line with your ears. And your breath is flowing from the back of the navel to the chest, upper chest and down. With every in-breath you become more expansive. So you keep this posture in a relaxed way, this connectivity. And with the next in-breath, we take those arms up and interlace the hands. We keep the arms high. Elbows are soft and shoulders are soft and relaxed. Aware that you are not going back, not going forwards, keep this nice line from the hips to your wrists and at the stage. Inhale, elongate more. With the out breath, lean to your right. Back to the center, to the other side. One more time. Inhale to the center. Exhale. You can mirror me, leaning, lateral stretch, leaning to one side. Back to the center, keeping the chest open to the other side. Back to the center, release. Make your way to tabletop. Take your right foot closer to the edge of the mat. Extend the left leg. Ground the foot. Keep the nice stability from the shoulder to the wrist. Extend the left arm up. Keep the spine nice and long. Neck is extension of the spine. Lift your leg and take this balance, expansive breathing, yogic breaths through the nose. Anytime you need to release the breath through the mouth, go ahead. Release. And the same the other side. So now your right leg extends. Long spine, spacious abdominals. Lift your leg. Take a few breaths in this balance. Release. Make your way to downward facing dog as transition. Long line from the neck to the tailbone. And make your way to the front of the mat. Press through the feet, come up to standing. In Tadasana mountain pose, standing tall and expansive, grounded through all points of the feet. Chin is parallel to the earth. We take those arms up, the same as in seated position. Interlace the hands, push through the fingers, elongate more the in-breath, Out breath, lean to one side. You can mirror me. Open chest, shoulders relaxed, back to the center and the other side. Back to the center, release. We take the legs wider, heels will be slightly out, toes in. Interlace the hands, shoulder blades towards each other. So we open through the chest, give the spine nice and long. Inhale, spaciousness in your abdominal area. Out breath, fold. Taking those hands towards the sky. Breathe. Release. Make your way to plank and lower on the front of the body. Hands next to your chest, elbows are pointing back. Inhale, long spine. Plenty of space around your shoulders. Breathe there with spacious abdominals and long spine in Cobra, Bhujangasana. This pose also strengthens your back, upper body, release. Take your resting position. We make the way to plank, then to downward facing dog. Most of standing poses, they work super well on your posture. As transition, right leg up, foot to the hand, rise up with legs straight. Extend those arms in line with the shoulders. Gaze towards the right side. So your right foot is your first foot, front foot. Elongate with out breath, hinge from the hip, hand down, keep those legs straight and spine long. Aware that you are not lifting the chin up, not too much down, just in neutral position. So neck is extension of the spine. Rotate to the side, open your chest up to the sky, breathe. And Trikonasana triangle. Press through the right foot, come to standing. Shift your back foot slightly closer. Square your hips. We hold the elbows behind or forearms or hands in reverse prayer. Elbows wider. Inhale, long spine. Exhale. We take the upper body parallel towards the ground in pyramid variation. Breathing there along your spine. Slightly bend your front knee, press through the foot, come up to standing. And hands next to the foot, step back to plank. As transition, if Vinyasa is in your practice, you can take your option. It's just nice to release a stretch. Back position. Left leg up, foot to the hand. or just if you need, rise up. Now left foot, toes pointing to the front, back foot, toes can be slightly in. Inhale, long torso. Exhale, hinge from the hip, plant your hand where it lands. And start opening your right hand in line with the shoulder. Remember, awareness of the long spine. And neck is extension of the spine. Breathing there. Gaze can be neutral. Or if you feel quite open, you can gaze through your fingertips up. Great. Transition, feel free to look down, bend your knee, come up to upright, shift your back foot slightly closer. So feet are not in line. So you can square your hips there, feet are a bit wider. Holding the elbows behind your back or forearms or hands in reverse prayer. If your hands in reverse prayer, press the edge of your hands against your spine. Inhale, long spine, shoulders away from your ears. Out breath, take your body parallel towards the earth. Square your hips, so left hip is back, right to the front at this point. Again, aware that you are not lifting your chin. Breathing there along the spine. Out breath, all the way down to the plank. You can hold the plank there, broaden through the shoulder blades, push through the heels. Again, position of the head is very important, and the neck, so not down, not up, just in line with the spine. Even when you sleep. Great. We take Janu Shirshasana, head to knee pose. Extend your right leg, I'll mirror you. So take the flexes away, both sit bones are nicely grounded. Keep this leg quite active, toes up, your other knee is bent and relaxed. Foot is towards inside of your opposite thigh. Elongate there. Feel that both sides of your body are the same length. Mini twist and you fold over your leg. So you're feeling that both sides of the torso are the same length. Shoulders are in line. If you hold your foot, aware that you are not lifting your shoulders. They are nicely relaxed. And breathe into the length of the spine from the tailbone to the neck. Few breaths. Next in breath to upright. The same the other side. Leg is active, toes up in relaxed way. Hips are grounded. Other knees relaxed and sole of the foot inside your opposite thigh. Inhale and exhale over your leg. Breathe there into your sensations. Keep your shoulders in line. Next in breath to upright. Make your way on your back. Place your right ankle over the opposite knee. Keep your foot slightly flexed, toes towards the knee. Lift your left leg, take your right arm between your legs and hold the back of the thigh. Or perhaps your shin, but you have to relax your tailbone down, your sacrum, and center your body here. Also, your both shoulders are relaxed towards the mat. A few breaths into the stretch. It also nicely stretches the back of the thighs. So right knee is walking away from your chest, left knee towards your chest. This subtle movement as you breathe. Release and simply change the other side. Left ankle over your opposite knee, holding the back of the right thigh or your shin. So left arm will be between your legs. Check that you are grounded, centering on the mat and breathing. Walking the left knee away from the chest, right knee towards the chest. Release. Take your knees to your chest, rock from side to side. Now you can take briefly Shavasana, or you can practice further using the other videos. Thank you for joining. Hope the video was helpful. Please subscribe if you haven't yet and click the like button. Namaste.